Namaste to everyone. Hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. Let's start with some interesting learning. Today we will learn, I will show you. One second, I will just start presenting my screen. Okay, so today we will learn what is a la carte menu and what is table d'hôte menu. First, we will begin with what is a la carte menu. So let's begin. What is definition of this a la carte menu? What does it state? A la carte menu is a type of menu where the food items are priced individually. Literary meaning of a la carte is from the cart. Basically, it is type of menu where the food items are priced individually, or you can say separately, right? Meaning you have to choose from the cart. In this type of menu, guests will choose from large varieties of dishes, and in front of each and every dish, their respective prices will be given. What you have to do is you have to present this menu course-wise with their respective prices. I hope everyone will get this. Now next we will discuss about what are different characteristics given here for a la carte menu. Clear? So first characteristics, the choice is generally more extensive. Means choices is generally more extensive, means guests will have large varieties of dishes under this menu, right? Second, each dish is priced separately, right? In front of each food dish variety, you have to mention their prices respectively. Third characteristic is there may be longer waiting times as some dishes are cooked or finished to order, right? So what is longer waiting time, right? For delivering one particular dish to the guest, right? That means after order taking from waiter will send your order or guest order, that is KOT, that is kitchen order ticket, to the kitchen department. You whatever kitchen section it is, you have to send this KOT to the kitchen section, right? Whatever mode of transfer of KOT you are using in your restaurant, that can be electronic or manual. After that, chef will prepare dish in kitchen, so it will take time to reach order to the guest, right? Or you can say around 20 to 30 minutes is standard waiting time for the guest, or to reach this all whatever guest has ordered for all these dishes, it will take at least 20 to 30 minutes of standard time, right? I hope till now everyone understood with this what is a la carte menu, meaning of a la carte menu and their characteristics. Clear? Now next we will see the sample for a la carte menu. Here you can see the sample for your a la carte menu, what it states, what are different sample menus for this a la carte menu. It is given here. Two types of sample variety given here. You have to mention all these dishes. All these dishes will be enlisted there, right? Under each and every course, you have to mention the name of your food varieties that you are presenting to the guest or delivering all these food items in your restaurant with their respective prices, and you have to mention this separately. All dishes will be enlisted there on your menu card, paper of sheet, whatever you are choosing, right? And in front of that, all these food varieties, food items, you will be enlisting their prices separately. Clear? Now next we will see the cover setup for your a la carte menu. जो आपका वो a la carte menu है, what cover setup we will be following in this. It is given here for placing all these your F&B service equipments. It is given here on left hand side. All these equipments are enlisted. right? And equipment that we are placing on the table, it is given on your right hand side. You can see numbering also given here for each and every food and beverage equipment. You can see one is first is your badwas, second is cruet set, third one is your side plate, and above this side plate you will place fourth one is side knife. You have to place this side knife over the side plate. Next, fifth one is your fish fork. Sixth is full plate. Above this full plate, you will be placing this napkin fold. That is seventh. Next, eighth one is your fish knife. Ninth is your water glass, or you can say water goblet, and tenth will be your wine glass. So till we covered this a la carte menu, we have seen this meaning of your a la carte menu. After that, also we have seen the characteristics of a la carte menu. After that, we also seen this different samples for your a la carte menu, and just now we seen this setup, that is cover setup, that we will lay on the guest table for dining purpose. Now next, what is table d'hôte menu? First, we will see the what is meaning of your table d'hôte menu, right? And after that, we'll see the characteristics. It is same like your a la carte. Whatever we are explaining or I am explaining here. First, table d'hôte menu. What is table d'hôte menu? Table d'hôte refers to the menu of limited choices. It usually includes 3 or 5 courses available as a fixed menu. This term is known to caterers by its abbreviation, that is TDH. Menu, a table. The table d'hôte menu is a complete meal at a predetermined price, right? What is meaning here? It usually will include 3 to 5 courses of dishes. जो भी आपके whatever food variety you are enlisting here, that will comprise of your 3 to 5 course menu item available to as a fixed menu, right? It is a fixed menu. Keep this in mind. It is a fixed menu. It refers to as a limited choice. That means here you will have limited choice of food and beverage variety, right? And you can consider it is a complete meal for one particular guest to dine, right? For dining one particular guest, you have to offer this at one particular price for single guest or one guest. You will be offering all these varieties of dishes or this table d'hôte menu, that is TDH menu, under one price tag for one particular guest. Clear? Now next we will see some characteristics for this table d'hôte menu. First is the menu has a fixed number of courses. The menu has fixed number of courses, right? As previously said, it will consist of 3 to 5 courses, right? So we have to make one menu that can be of 3 or 5 courses. Second, there is limited choice within each course. There will be not be much choice or no choice under each course. Under each course, you can mention one or two dishes only, right? Third characteristics is the selling price is fixed. Here, the selling price will be fixed. You have to mention price on each TDH card or sheet where you are displaying this card in your restaurant, or you can say in your or in restaurant, or you can say in your on your table, right? Or you can say restaurant table, guest table. Now, last characteristics is the food is usually available at a set time, right? Whatever time you are taking for food preparation, right? It will take time. Previously also I said that it will take time for delivering all your dishes. That will be a standard time from 20 to 30 minutes it can take. It will depend on your restaurant for which operation they are offering. The TDH menu, that can be your lunch, dinner, whatever operation, or you can say meal type you choose. These all meal type are being served at predetermined time. Am I right? We will be serving lunch by 12 to, you can say 12 to 3, or we will be serving this dinner by 7:30 to 11:30, or you can say 11. So you have to prepare you all these meal varieties prior to start your restaurant operation. For lunch, you will keep your all dish varieties ready by 7 p.m. right? Or for presenting to the guest, for presentation to the guest, you will keep all these food varieties ready by 7. Clear? Now next, now here is TDH menu sample for your understanding. Here it is given this menu sample for your table d'hôte menu. All these food courses are given here. Previously also we discussed that, right? It will comprise of your 3 to 5 course menu. Here you can see appetizers, entree, dessert course, all are enlisted there with their different food varieties. In second menu sample also you can say appetizer, entree course, sabre course, dessert course, boiso course are enlisted there. But you have to keep this in mind. You have to give the price for whole menu. You will be giving this price for whole menu. Whatever you are offering, all these food varieties are offering to the guest. You have to give the one price. It is for a first sample. You can see below to this table d'hôte. It is given here $36. Right, for all these food varieties, for one guest, that guest needs to pay the $36. In second sample, you can see all these food varieties being offered at rupees 550, right, for one particular guest. So this is sample for your table d'hôte menu. Next, we will be seeing this table d'hôte cover setup. Next, here we will see this table d'hôte cover setup for your TDH menu, where we are offering this TDH menu in your restaurant. Now here also you can see some F&B equipments are common from your a la carte menu. Your badwas, crate set, side plate, side knife, fish fork is also there, fish knife is also there. Here we are adding joint fork and joint knife. Napkin fold is also there. Again, we added this soup spoon here, 10th number. You can see 10th number is your soup spoon. Above this fish knife, we have placed this water glass, or you can say water goblet. Above to this wine glass is there, and your 14th, 13th and 14th, your dessert fork and dessert spoon. Also, we need to place in the table d'hôte cover setup. I hope you all have understood this above. A la carte, what is a la carte menu? Menu sample, cover setup for a la carte menu, and table d'hôte cover or table d'hôte menu, right? Thank you.